we are here to do a look with our fall dreads. There are many different styles you can do, so I'm here to let you guys know what you can do with those today. Okay, so first, people want to see how to install them. I've got to take out a couple and one row there. I braid them downward like these rows. These I do singly, and I'll show you how to do those. Those are truly not like the easiest things to do, the single ones, but I'll show you, how I do them. But cornrows are super easy. These are all looped in that way. So simply, I will want this kind of at a curve. So just loop that through there. And you grab your fall dread there and pull it through. And while it's still in, link it with the bottom. Next, I'm going to show you this one. It needs to kind of be redone and stuff, so I'm going to show you this one too. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken it down, and this is my since I want it to be a little bit tighter, I'm going to take this braid down and re-braid it so it can be a bit fresher. Okay, so now it's taken down, and we can go ahead and re-braid this back. I'm not cutting my hair no more. I'm letting it grow out. Y'all see the edges? Okay. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and that's as good as we're gonna get today. So, freshly done. It's here. That's it. And put it through there. So your latch is open. You want to keep it open. And so now you put your dread in where you have your loop. And like I said, you can find these dreads at Posh Jan Hair Big Cartel. I will leave the link in the description box. and these are in 18 inches. We do also have them in 14 as well. So now you have them looped in, and you close your latch, pull them through, and you want to then at the ends put it through there, close your latch, pull it through the loop, pull it down, and there you have it. Now here, this is when it gets a little bit tricky. You want to have your braid that you're doing underneath. You don't want it like all up here and stuff. No, you want it underneath because you have to do what I'm about to show you guys. So make sure that's locked there, and you've got your braid that needs to be put in. So first, I'm going to simply just where you latched at, like where you have your knot, you want to go in there, go in your knot. Oops, let me try that again. As I told you, this is tricky. Like, this is real tricky. So you gotta really feel for it too. While you're in there, pull that through, just so it's now like easily together. They're both in the same loop together. So. And boom. Also, I want to show you a couple looks on how I do, how I wear my dreads sometimes. So, usually, I have maybe two, like two right here, these two right here. So truly, I just tuck hair as I go. Add some bobby pins to it and stuff, but pretty much like so yes, that's the bun. Another way you can do it is is always cute. Boo. Shake the broom. Shake the broom. Hey, look at that thing. That's gonna be cut out. Okay, so next one. Let me see. I might do something a little different. Let's see. Braid the sides, like down, or like braid it to the back. You know, put them in the ponytail in the back if that's what you want to do, or you know, you can keep this down and then just have one side braided, and that would be super cute. Let's see, like that to the back, and then just that like that, and pin it up, and then do that. So that makes, where are we at? We got bun, we got half up, half down. We truly had this to the back, so that's 3. And then just 1 braid, so that's really like 4. So another one, of course, is the all-time favorite of just letting them be free. Let them be free. So, yeah. I always love wearing them down, like super cute, just like this, or throwing them over, you know, it's cute too. So yeah, you can wear them to the side. Those are, you know, a couple looks you can wear with them. You can wear them button down. You can pretty much wear them any way you want to. But thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching our different styles and installation video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we shall see you next time here at Behind the Posh.